Mutaratara wa githomo wa 844 uria ukoretwo ukihuthika kuma mwaka wa 1985 wahota gukorwo uri matuko-ini maguo ma mwisho angikorwo maumirira ma ikereka ria muthia ria mutaratara mweru wa 2633 uria ugakorwo kiambiriria thiini wa ciumia 2 ciukite ni ugakorwo ukihitukio ni bunge. Akiaria hindi ya kurugurio kwa mutaratara uyu, Minister wa githomo Dagitari Fred Matiang'i ni atariirie ati ruhonge rwa githomo ni rwihariirie kuigana gutigirira mutaratara uyu ni wakinyanira.
A lot of planning is in place. We were allocated sufficient resources from the National Treasury to move this process forward. And in working on this curriculum, no one should have any fear because we had a subcommittee costing the implementation of this curriculum. Because we want to keep an eye on the cost of implementing this curriculum, what it will mean in terms of our budgetary resources, so that we don't take a decision and then later on we can't live by it because it's too expensive to implement.
Matiang'i ni ahinyiriirie ati bata munene wa ikereka riri ni guthurima ukinyaniru wa mutaratara uyu mweru niguo gutikanagie na ihingisha o ciothe riria mutaratara uyu ukambiriria kuhuthika macukuru-ini mothe. Oho ni oririe aria megukorwo makinyita itemi mubango-ini uyu gwithema kuingirirwo na njira o ciothe.
We want to be patient and we want to be methodical about how we do this. So here comes my first question to you, my colleagues, head teachers who are here. Because this exercise is very important, it must be carried out with an indisputable measure of integrity. I would be happy to get actual or accurate results of this exercise.
Ihinda-ini riu Matiang'i ni aniriirie ati cukuru ciothe igakorwo ikihingwo tariki 4 mweri wa kanana thikũ 4 mbere ya githurano kinene gitabanitio niguo kuhe kanya arutwo othe gucokereria micii-ini yao. Mutaratara uyu ugukorwo kigerio thiini wa macukuru 10 kuma kaunti ciothe kuria Matiang'i oritie arutani na anyiti itemi othe thiini wa sekta ya githomo kunyitanira niguo gutigirira mutaratara uyu ni wagia na maciaro. Mutaratara uyu mweru wa githomo wirigirirwo gukorwo kiambiriria ihinda-ini ria ciumia 2 ciukite riria arutwo othe magakorwo magicokereria mathukuru-ini kuria CS wa githomo Dagitari Fred Matiang'i oria anyiti itemi othe gukorwo makinyitanira gutigirira mutaratara uyu ni warehe maciaro thiini wa sekta ya githomo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma guku mucii wa Nairobi, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.